Hello, it's Marlena, and I just wanted to do a quick video to show you the templates and how they work in Canva. I picked this template here. Like I said, there's about 200, a little bit over 200 templates within the toolkit, but I wanted to play around with this one for this particular post because I like the fonts and I like the rectangle around it, things like that. And so I'm going to do just a little bit of tweaking to make it more mine. So on the left here, I have a bunch of images that I've uploaded from my picture subscription, which, as I said in the post, you can go and check out at apenandapurpose.com/stock photos. And I really like all these different feminine photographs, so it just works really well for me. And you get about 1,000 of them. And so I just, got rid of the wrong picture. So I meant to get rid of something else. I'm trying to see if I can get that. So what I'm trying to do right now is change the picture and kind of want to show you that like anybody can do this, because if I can do it, y'all can do it. So I move that out of the way, and then I'm going to get rid of this picture, and I'm going to put my own picture in there. And I just sort of picked one randomly. I'm not sure that I'll end up using this one. So I put that on there, and then I'm going to move this back. And so that is an overlay. Now, that is not a color that I typically would use on my site. I would use more of a pink or a purple or something like that. So I'm just going to play around and look at some different colors within Canva. So just to see what they would look like if I change them up. So I kind of like that one, so I'm going to keep that one, and then I can sort of play around with the transparency. I can make it darker, I can make it lighter. A little bit darker is a little bit better because then I can see the print. So the other thing I want to do is I want to get this rectangle back on there, and sometimes just a little bit hard to get. When you get these 4 arrows, that's when you can move it. Although I'm moving the wrong thing, so you got to move the right thing. Yay, there it is. So I'm going to center that, and you can see that it's centered because it has the cross in the middle there, although then I moved it. So I'm just going to move it up. Moving the wrong thing again. So there's that. And so then I could go into this, into the text, and I can change it change it to what I want it to say. So I can say done for you, and then I can click up here, make it all caps. And it's too big, so I'm just gonna stretch that out. Move it up a little bit. So you can really change any of the aspects that you want to change in here. It's a little bit fussy sometimes, especially if you're not real used to Canva. I typically use Stencil, so Canva's a little bit new to me. So, I'm gonna work on this a little bit more, but I just wanted to show you what it is like. So, you kind of futz around and get it to how you want it to look. And so, oops, my cat is distracting me. I'm gonna make that caps again, and then I'm gonna make this say blog, BLG, caps again. And so I don't really like how light this is, and so I might just make this a little bit darker, which means I might need to actually get a darker color, which is kind of unfortunate because I like that color. I don't like that very much. So I like this one, maybe. And then I can just kind of play around with it to see, where I want it to be. So there's that. I could also lighten my picture in the background. I just have to be able to click on it, which I'm not gonna make you watch me try to find that. But this is just one example of how you would do these templates. You can see you can change the picture, you can change the font. I could change the font color if I wanted to, so I could make it red or whatever color. The other thing is you can really do any color. So I could go in here and instead of it being white, I could make it one of these brand colors, or I could actually go to this plus and then I could put in a color code or just kind of mess around here. So there's a lot of different options that you could do. This looks awesome now with all these different colors. So just wanted to show you this. There are quite a few. So if I went back to File, or let's say I go back to Canva, I don't need to save this or anything, although it saves right away. I could go here and I could show you the different kinds of templates that you get with the toolkit, because I have them all saved here. And my computer's going slow. So there's cutout cards, which I'm not really sure what those are. Ebook templates, chart templates, slide deck templates, checklists, so different worksheets that you could do, calendar pages, daily planning template, holiday gift guides, tutorial guides, worksheets, media kits for monetization, product mockups, Twitter post images, Twitter header images, Instagram images, Facebook Live promotional images, Pinterest images, which is what I tend to use, Facebook ad templates, Facebook header templates, Facebook group headers, opt-in images for ads, vertical opt-in images. So, if you want to do something on Pinterest, newsletter signature originals, category templates original, popular post originals. This one's cool because it's these rectangles that you put on your sidebar with posts. So your popular posts. It looks really awesome. About me, so you have your picture and it just looks really neat how she put that together, and then a brand board so you can pick your colors, some logos, so just all these different things. And it's pretty cool because I've spent a lot of time trying to make worksheets and I'm not great at it, so having this has been a lifesaver, and so I really wanted to share it with you, and I hope you found this helpful. Bye for now.